Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this awesome TV mount. We're actually making a theater room in here, so this is gonna be perfect because it will hold huge TVs. And this actually tilts and it moves back and forth. It has a great amount of support. It's powder coated metal, amazing. And you even get this little thing here that you'll be able to put it up so you know just how big to do all of this. You have all of your hardwares included. Now I'm gonna let my husband get all this set up and then we'll take a look how it works.
They provide you with this really nice level that you can easily put right up here and make sure everything is nice and level, so it's right in that track. So that way you can get everything cranked down and make sure that it's all in place. Once that top bracket is on, I actually have these side brackets that we're actually going to use. They provide you with an Allen wrench and a little set screw, and it actually fits directly over the side of this here. And we can go ahead and mount that in place and get that put in. That's going to hold this bottom one perfectly in line so that I can go ahead and drive the screws in to it as well. Now that those side pieces are in line, and I know that this top part is completely straight and flush, this bottom part will be really easy. It's actually got little notches to simply hook right in, and just simply snap it on the other side. And now we know it's perfectly level too. I'm going to go ahead and put the set screws in both of these and then drive into the studs with this bottom one, fully securing this to the wall. So I've got our main channel part put up here. One thing I really like is the fact that if you're not always going to have a TV here, maybe you're going to hang a picture over here in the future, they do send you with these nice channel covers that actually just simply snap right over here. And this just gives it a really nice finished look. So that way, if you're not going to have a TV mounted here, it actually hides all the bolts and everything, which makes it look really nice. I'm now going to mount these pieces on the back of this 65-inch TV. They do provide you with a kit that has just about every type of screw or bolt that you would need to custom fit your TV. This one just took these shorter ones and these washers, and you just wanted to line this up, making sure that it doesn't hang off the top or bottom, and it also doesn't obstruct any of your inputs. Got those mounted, really easy to do. Had a helper help me mount this on the wall because the TV is older, it's a little heavy. Now that it's on there, this is great. So these pieces here just have a little magnet on there, so you can actually magnet them up there, which is fine, gets them out of the way. But when you pull them down here, if you pull on these, it unlocks the back so that you can then remove the TV from the wall, which is great. This will actually come out from the wall. It can extend out so you can see back behind here. Up at the top, up here, there's a little screw, set screw at the top that you can have for micro adjustments to adjust the little sides up or down. You also have the ability on the side here to adjust the tilt 15 degrees or -10 degrees to get the television just like you want it. You also can turn it, push it in on one side or keep it out on the other side, so you have micro adjustments there, which is great to help with glare. And the other really nice part that I like about this is the fact that it actually slides as well. So you actually can slide it really easily, clear down or clear down the other direction, to help you center it exactly where you're wanting to in the room. So it has so many different adjustments. I'm really liking a lot of this. This is a great TV mount. Thank you guys again for sending it.